Welcome back to me, my beautiful collectives. So, ayan, welcome back to me. Ang tagal nating hindi nag-collective at gulo-gulo pa ang buhok kasi dry na dry ang mga Lola Bells. So, yun na nga. So, magko-collective tayo ngayon. This is a love reading. If this will not resonate with you, I am channeling here with a dark path. You are going through a dark path, but you are going to see the light. Parang I can hear the, see the light in the sky, meet the sea, it calls me. Parang ganon. Like ganon. You are walking on this dark path, but you are not afraid to walk on this dark path because you know that you are the light and you are beautiful. You know it, you know it. So I can channel here with these messages. I can feel like there is something to do with a black crow. I can feel like there's something like, oh, what's that? May tumalon munang card. So we have here four of water. I can feel like you are creating something out of this connection with your person na iniisip mo and what's on your mind. You are creating something. So I can feel with the four of water. This is the goddess Bridget. You have this igniting fire within you, like the driven passion, like ganyan. So let's see. I can feel like this black crow nga, sabi ko, like I see a black crow kanina kasi. So talagang nang itim ang crow, kaya hindi mayroon mga albino crow, di ba? Like ganun. So I can feel like there is something to do with the goddess Morrigan. So with this connection, like there is something to do with death and rebirth. I can feel that you are rebirthed from a dark place. I can feel like that. So we have here the world that you have this ending. You have this gift that you have a driving force within this connection. Sabi ko nga, if you are in a talking stage and you are kinamit, you are getting that wish fulfillment. You are having this connection to be your dream come true, a gift from the universe. Like I can feel na nararamdaman ko na you will have the connection that you wanted. So let's see what's the other cards. So let's see. So we have Lamas, something to do with July or August. I can feel like there's something to do with July or August. You are unstoppable force. You know it. You know it. That you are this unstoppable. Your love is unstoppable for this person, or this person have a love is that is unstoppable for you. I can feel that this will take place on on July or August. I can feel that. So let's see. Lama's energy is also a Capricorn energy. So we have this blooming card, which is the love that you have misleaded, yung mga tinanim nyo, like ganon. So if you are in talking stage, I can feel like very soon, sooner or later, like ma-upgrade na. Ay, taray, pa-upgrade. Parang, ano yan? Like, this is blooming energy. I can feel like Gunnar. Let's see. I can hear something to do with the Capricorn. What is to do with my Capricorn? Bakit nahihear ko is something to do with the Capricorn? Like, what the fuck? I am channeling a Capricorn energy here. You are a Capricorn energy or you are dealing with a Capricorn energy. I don't know why. Why I am channeling Capricorn energy. Capricorn that is a very toxic person. Capricorn na toxic. Parang ganon. Like, Capricorn na toxic. Hoy, hindi ako yon. We have here, Maiden of Fire. Ingatan yung apoy that have been sparked. I can feel a lot of you here in collective is like starting a new relationship. Like, there is just a start. So, ingatan yung apoy. But sabi ko nga, there is a wish fulfillment here. I can see something is blooming. Sabi ko, something to do, a very significant with the July or August. Something to do with that. I can feel it. Something to do with number 8 and number 9. I can feel number 8 or number 9, July 8 or August 9. I can feel like something to do with that. I don't know why I am feeling that, but I can feel those energies. So we have here Earth of Elemental, the elemental of Earth, which is the no. I can feel you are dealing with an Earth side, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. I can feel a strong Capricorn energy here. I can feel I can feel here with this like seeing someone traveling, but wala sa cards pa, channel ko lang yung nafe-feel ko ha. Kung ano yung nafe-feel ko with this connection sa mga nanonood, like ganun. Sabi ko, like, I can something to do with the significant with a travel. Sinasabi ko, matagal ko sinasabi sa inyo, with a travel, with a travel, with a travel. Bakit? Parang something to do again with a travel. So we have here, Lakshmi Lak, Lakshmi Lak, Swerte, something to do with you are beautiful. Just try to be like try to be like Lakshmi, that is a pure love. I can feel that you have a pure love. I can feel that you are reincarnated in this world to be with someone. Like ganern type of energy. Something to do with August and July. I don't know. I don't know why is that. I can feel like you are this goddess. He can see you as this goddess. You are beautiful. Or you are being seen by others. I can feel like ang dami-daming taong nakatingin sa'yo. Or within the person that you are thinking, ang dami-daming tao na nakatingin sa kanya or maraming nakatingin sa'yo. I can feel, I can channel, mostly ikaw, na ang dami-daming nakatingin sa'yo na tao. Like, you are just beautiful, like, if you are masculine energy, you are handsome, you know it, you know it. If you are, o kung ano yung prefer nyo, basta pag sinabi kong beautiful, generalize nyo na yan, gwapo at maganda, okay? Okay. So, I can feel like you are taking care of yourself. I channel here, you are going through malls, taking self dates. I can feel like you are taking care of yourself. I can feel like you have good good perception about yourself. I can feel that. Like ganun. We have here the initiation, higher being, higher up. I can feel like this connection is been judged by charot. It's been judged by the God, the universe. I can feel like this is a divine connection. Might be a sweet twin flame or a soulmate. Might be you are in this connection in the past lives or like I can hear past lives. Kere menine na 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 dreaming. Parang ganun. Sabi ko with that. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagpasok sa utak ko yan. Then, let's see your tarot card. Ay, taray, dalawang tarot card nga gamitin natin. The Book of Shadows and what we call that, my favorite tarot card, which is the Wizard's Tarot. Okay. So, I can feel like this is a divine timing. I can feel like something to do with a divine timing. Divine timing. Bakit? Bakit divine timing? Ano ba yon? Are you manifesting someone? Are you doing spells? Like, I can feel like, I can hear this song. Maybe in other dimensions, there's you and me. Like, ganun. Parang, I can channel that song also. But I'm not listening to those anymore kasi ang pinapakinggan ko ay, You're my only shorty. You're my only shorty. I'm telling you the truth. Girl, it's only you. You're my only, you're my only, you're my only, the only shorty. Ganon. Like, we have here balancing two of pentacles. I can feel that you are weighing the pros and cons with this connection. I can feel like something to do. This is for I am channeling with a person that has been separated for a long time. Like, Do I need this connection ba? Like, parang gano'n. But for those naman na nafe-feel ko, like, sasagutin ko na ba? Wala ba akong choice? Parang sasagutin ko na ba? I do have a lot of choice. Parang someone is like, sasagutin ko na ba? Wala naman kasi ako ibang choice. Because there is someone like, sagutin ko na ba? Pero ang dami ko pang choice. But I don't want to lose those other choice for him. Like, parang gano'n. I am channeling like, alam niyo yung kantang ng 21 na Go Away? Pero English version. This new person isn't you, not the same guy that I knew. Na 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 try. Na 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 go na ninja. Nanggang na na hinja. Na 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 na. So many others in my life who wouldn't never made me cry, but I gave it all to you. Get lost it all to you. Like ganon. Parang something to do with that. Parang you are weighing like, ang daming tao sa paligid ko, but I will choose this person ba? Like sabi dito, go for it. You have this driving passion. Go for it. This is go signal for you. Oh my God, this Emerald ni Ruben Sapphire. We have this, but sabi ko, like lagi tayong may but if we have a go signal. But put your mind first. I-check nyo muna kung, is this okay? Parang gano'n, like, something to do with that. Is this okay? Something to do with that, no? We have significant with moving forward, travel. I can feel, sabi ko sa inyo, may na-channel akong travel eh. A lot of you are going to have a travel. Like, I can feel it, you can feel it, you know it, you know it. Sabi ko sa inyo, na-channel ko talaga ang travel. Bakit naman? We have here Three of Cups in reverse. You are still reminiscing about what happened in the past. Kaya siguro nakikita ko dito na you are weighing the pros and cons and na-feel ko rin na there is something a lot to do with yung sinabi ko yung sa kanta ng 21 na so many others in my life who wouldn't never make me cry, but I gave it all to you. Gave it, lost it all to you. Like, ganon. Sabi ko, like, parang, you are still reminiscing about the past. So, you don't like to dodge into a relationship because you are thinking about the past that is happened na hindi naman na significant here. Like, I can feel that in your cards. So, let's see. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba ang sinasabi ng mga cards natin? Cards, tell me. Tell me why. Oh, you are like this person na ayaw ng chismis. Ayaw ng chismis. Parang like, I feel like you're a lot of you, ayaw ng chismis. Sabi ko, okay, pag sinagot ko ba to si person na like, baka naman kasi ma-issue. Like, something to do with that. Something to do with that. And I can feel like you have this deep fear about this connection. And I can channel also not all about this is a person who have been separated, like you ikaw na nanonood, if you are separated with this person, I can feel this person is like nakikinig masyado sa mga people around that surrounded them, like ganon. So if you are not with that separation, so i-go for it. Wag ka nang maano sa chismis, no? Hindi naman kayo machi-chismis yung person na yan. Like, I can feel it, you know it, you know it. I can feel it. If na-chismis kayo, akong bahala. Kukulamin ko kung sino chumismis sa inyo. Like, ganun. Yeah, you have this single era moment. Single era, sabay, like, you can feel like, I don't like relationship muna. I just want to be single. Like, I can feel like, you've been hurt from the past but you are living your life. But sabi ko nga, there is this person na nafe-feel ko that you are indulged with Not yet, just, hindi lang isang person. I can feel like, ang dami na, there's plenty of person. Kaya nga channel ko, di ba, like, yung kata ng 21, yung, there's so many others in my life who wouldn't never made me cry, but I gave it all to you. Gave it, lost it all to you. Like, ganon, parang, there are too many persons, like, you are thinking like, I'm a single era, I just want to enjoy my kalandian, like, ganon. But, there's a but. I can feel like, a lot of you are thinking about this connection na what if mag-click? Like, kasi, what if mag-click? Parang ganon. I can feel like you are channeling with that. Also, like, parang na-feel ko na sinasabi niyo, what if mag-click? Parang, something to do with that. Oo nga naman, what if mag-click? Diba? Like, ano ba masasabi ng cards? What if mag-click nga naman? Oy, tumalon. We have a channel here at Earth Sign Energy. I can feel like a Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Lagi na lang na ano ang Capricorn. Lagi na lang na ano ang Virgo. Hindi kasi magka-sign naman kasi Earth sign naman kasi para sa Virgo at Capricorn. So, I can feel like in this connection, there's a plenty of abundance, plenty of growth. I can feel like this masculine energy that you are dealing with might be mature than you. I can feel like, hindi naman sinasabing mature than you dahil hindi mo ka-age. But, ang sinasabi ko mature mag-isip, parang gano'n. I can feel like there's an offer coming through here. I can feel it. I can channel it here. Like an offering of our, sabi ko nga, there is something to do with like, if you are in a talking stage, sabi ko magle-level up na, di ba? Like, sabi ko ganun. Pero hindi ko pa nakikita yung indication card natin. We have here the 5 of Cups. A lot of you are still iyak-iyakin about the past. Why naman? Like, ano bang meron sa past na hindi nyo ma-let go? Char. Ano bang meron if ever you are connected with an earth sign energy? Ano bang meron sa mga earth sign na punyeta na yan? Ay, ano ba yan? Nagmura pati tayo dito. Nasa, ano tayo? Nasa, nasa, nasa YouTube tayo. Nasa YouTube. And, napamura ang inyong Lola Bells. And I am sorry for that. Like, gunner. Like, we have here, you are, I can feel like you are free. You are freed with this connection. If you are earth sign energy, I can feel that you are freed with this connection. I know. You are freed. You are malaya. Kaya nga sabi ko, like, I did channel this song, so many others in my life who would never make me cry, but I gave it all to you, gave it, lost it all to you. Like, you don't want to indulge into a relationship with like ang dami-daming choices sa paligid mo. Like, I can feel it. I can feel it. You don't want to indulge into a relationship. Like, fling-fling lang. Like, ganun. Gagaya pa kayo kay Lola Bears yung Capricorn, ha. We have something that has ended. Sabi ko sa inyo, may mga nag-end dyan, eh. Sabi ko sa inyo, may mga nag-end dyan, eh. Like, something to do with a rebirth, something to do with, like, I can channel a rebirth here. A rebirth of a connection. Like, a rebirth of a connection. Why is that? Why is that so? Why is Michael saying that? So, because this is something to do with that, an end game, like something to do with, like, something ended, a rebirth, but there's something to be, like, you are this person na wish fulfillment ng lahat. Like, you are this caring person na, like, you are this wish fulfillment person. Kasi, like, if someone, like, you've been separated to is, like, hanap-hanapin, parang like, I can feel like yung nahanap-hanap ka niya, like, ganar. Like, something to do with that. Something to do that with an ended relationship, ha? But something to do with something new. Try to be with something new, like, Knight of Pentacles. This something new is like, can offer you this abundance, like a stability, and I can feel like this, you are not going to be hidden anymore, like something to do with that. I don't know why I did channel that message na you are not will not be hidden anymore, like something to do with that, no. We have here, trust your intuitions, your guides, your gods and goddesses, your pantheons are already set these things right for you. You know it, like ganun. Alam mo na yun. Like something to do with that.
Ayan! Alis dyan! Yan, hindi naman kayo ang dalaga.
Okay.
Ayan, lalaki nga hindi agad yan maluluto.
Kumuha ako ng ilang cards pa sa Book of Shadows natin. We have Maiden of Earth. I can channel like you are this person na napakaganda. You are like like every person that look at you, you are this gorgeous person. You have this like something to do with community, Mercury, communication.
Hindi naman yung gayon.
Sorry kung medyo maingay. Kasi yung isa dyan, mali-mali maghihiwa. So, we have here, something to do with communication. I can channel here up Virgo energy. Sabi ko nga, di ba, may mga earth sign dyan. Pulot. So, we have here, Tree of Water, which is a joy, wish fulfillment. Flora, like the goddess Flora. You are enjoying your life. I can feel like Gardner. We have here air of mother of air, or mother air. I can feel like you are learning. Natututo ka na. And that is good for you. You know it. We have the Saturn energy, which is a Capricorn. Sabi ko sa inyo, may Capricorn talaga eh. Like something to do with your day-to-day karma. I can feel like you have paid your karmic debt, and now you are indulging into this abundant energy with this new love life coming through here. I can feel it. You know it and you know it. Like you got it and you got it. Oh, ang ingay, diba? Like something to do like ganyan. Diba? Like ganun. We have here Crown of Earth, a very, very, very Taurus energy. So ito, Taurus energy. A very, very Virgo energy. Ito pala Taurus to, Maiden of Earth. Taurus energy and a Virgo energy. I can feel something to do. Ang ingay. Diba? Something to do with that. Ganon. Like ganon. Ano pa ba yung mga messages natin na dapat natin malaman? So, we have here the Capricorn energy talaga with the Mother of Earth and the Beltane card. Something to do with that. Beltane card and Mother of Earth, Mother Earth. Like, this is like a caring connection. Like, something to do with that, no? Like, you will have this caring connection within you. Sabi ko, ito na yung go signal. May go signal na, may another go signal na naman again. So, do it, and do it. Ganon. Sabi ko sa inyo, you got it, you know it. And hindi muna tayo tatanggap ng ating, ang tawag doon, hindi muna tayo tatanggap ng ating private readings until I say so. No? Like, you know it, you got it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, your channel 12. And, syempre, yung kalahati nito nasa Facebook. And, para, syempre, ganern. And you know it, ganern. Like, ganern. So, ganern. Puro ganern tayo. So, you know it, you got it. Capish?